We completed here a very large stream restoration project. It's a half a mile long from Route 28 to Braddock Road. And this is a critical part of the county's efforts to improve water quality, is doing these stream restorations that make the water flow in a way that does not tear the banks up. It improves water quality and also restores habitat. So as part of those projects, we have to do plantings to go ahead and stabilize the banks and provide habitat. And we did extensive plantings here. We're trying to experiment with different plant types that will be more successful, particularly in places like here where we had invasive species that are rampant. So we can't always eliminate the invasive species from a site, so sometimes we have to learn to compete with them. So the effort here today is really important because we brought together staff from 3 different agencies to do a cooperative planting. But we got donated plants from Montgomery County, Maryland. They have a really good propagation program where they take all local native seed, they propagate them, and we got 400 plants. They're all grasses that are native and they're adapted to floodplain conditions. So we're really excited because we're putting them in a dense planting to see if they can compete with a plant called Japanese stiltgrass, which is a very aggressive invasive species.
The warm season grasses also have very long, deep roots. So in this wetland area, which occasionally floods, it reduces the soil erosion. It's also a food source, particularly for migratory songbirds, and it's supposed to be here. So what we're trying to do is to get stuff that's supposed to be in here in the native plant community back into this area. And we're one part of the whole watershed system.
If you want to learn more about our stream restorations and our mission, you can go to the county website. You can actually look up your watershed, so you can learn your watershed address. You can see the projects that are near you. For most of our projects, we put up a web page. You'll be able to get information about the project, pictures of the site, and probably some plans how we're planning on doing it.